Welcome to this demonstration video on PrepScanner technology, which can be linked to your intraoral scanner for prep measurements, grading, and detailed reporting. In this video, we introduce a new technology that offers a fast, objective, and accurate way of grading students' dental prep and enhancing students' preparation. This compact and portable solution eliminates the need for traditional measuring tools, and you won't need to make another hardware investment if you already have intraoral scanners in your preclinic labs. If you do not have an intraoral scanner, please contact us to explore our PrepScanner hardware options. When using your own intraoral scanners, you will need to attach the typodont adapter to your lower or upper typodont to ensure accurate calibration. Then, use your intraoral scanner to scan the jaw. In this case, we are using a 3-shape intraoral scanner. Once the scanning process is complete, you can import the STL file into our patented PrepScanner app. In this video, we demonstrate the grading of a Class 2 cavity prep. After completing the scanning process, log into our PrepScanner app using your own credentials. Here's the instructor dashboard activated upon login. To review the model executed by the instructor, click the View button. The system is now processing the files. We are focusing on a Class 2 amalgam prep. After importing the file, the user can view the 3D model of the single prep, with additional options to display the adjacent teeth and half jaw. This allows for further analysis, such as assessing damage to adjacent teeth or evaluating bridging preps. Our next phase involves configuring the educational rubric, directly referencing the instructor's prep. Here's the interface for the rubric setup. You can see that the rubric is derived directly from the instructor's prep to ensure consistency. This is a sample rubric for a Class 2 molar prep, containing both qualitative and quantitative evaluation criteria. We established this sample rubric based on the prep, which could serve as the benchmark for student exercises. The primary evaluation criterion is the overall outline form, with points assigned for achieving precise cavity margins without overextension or underextension. The interface allows for axial and rotational views of the prep. Instructors can choose to either utilize or disable the AI-generated anatomical borders for defining prep boundaries. Activating this mode reveals the AI-delineated borders within the prep, assisting in accurate measurement. For instance, the isthmus width measures 1.233 millimeters. Note that the acceptable range is defined by the course instructor, which is a one-time task when setting up the rubric. An axiolingual inclination of 77 degrees is observed, ensuring the prep is less than the critical 90-degree threshold. We'll now input these values into the system. For instance, measurements for the mesiolingual wall angle might include values such as 75, 95, and 100. For the axiobuccal angle, we assess the other side for similar evaluations. We can keep grading for other metrics, such as dovetail width, by looking at the tooth from the occlusal view and selecting 2 points. You can choose the points directly on the prep or by turning on the points and selecting from the borders. Both methods measure consistently at 2.4 millimeters. Next, we introduce qualitative assessments, such as the reverse S-curve and the marginal ridge conservation. For the pulp depth, the instructor can use the mesial view to measure the depth, giving 2.42 millimeters. For the axial depth, the mesial view is used again, which gives 1.05 millimeters. For finishing, the instructor can look at the occlusal view and choose several points to cover the area, allowing the software to calculate the smoothness. Our measurement shows 0.07. After configuring the rubric, we proceed to grade student submissions. Note that the students can handle scanning their own prep, which doesn't require any time from the instructor. The students then upload the files to be graded by the instructor by selecting the Grade Students button. A window appears, listing students who have uploaded their prep or those who have yet to submit. To access a submitted piece, click Grade, which opens a new window showcasing the student's prep in detail. Here, you can inspect the student's prep from multiple angles to assess its conformity to clinical standards. Comparative analysis is facilitated, allowing instructors to juxtapose their reference prep against the student's work, highlighting discrepancies directly. This overlay feature demonstrates the student's deviations from the standard prep set by the instructor, visible in real time. The green color represents the instructor's prep. By analyzing this side-by-side view, One can identify variations in depth and contour between the instructors and students' preps. Disabling the overlay shows the original student prep once again. Now it's time to grade by selecting the appropriate rubric criteria. We present the list of qualitative and quantitative metrics for assessment. For the qualitative measures, instructors can assign a score based on visual inspection and adherence to clinical parameters. The grades could be 0, 1, and 2, based on visual observation. We do the same for other KPIs. Once grading is complete, results are compiled swiftly, ensuring efficiency. The results are saved for future reference, facilitating consistency in grading across multiple instructors. Upon final submission, a detailed report is generated for the student, providing comprehensive feedback on their performance. In case the grading is assigned to multiple instructors, they can work collaboratively. Once the grading results are analyzed, saved, and uploaded, they can be scheduled for distribution. After the student is graded, the tag changes to Already Graded, and the student is moved down under the Graded category. If the instructor changes the rubric after grading, the button changes to red, indicating that the instructor should review the metrics and regrade. In summary, the PrepScanner app facilitates efficient auto-grading of students, crafting tailored rubrics, and reviewing scanned 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional preps, all within a single, comprehensive, user-friendly platform. It also provides efficient tools for self-preparation and self-assessment for students via access to their own instructor's reference prep. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the PrepScanner. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to helping you achieve excellence in dental education.